it now. As you can see, guys, it's very bright, very bright, guys. So let's test it sparking. So guys, as you can see, this is our project, and this is inductor. This is for the positive. We make use of 20 turns, and we connected this first turn, this first leg, to the middle of this MOSFET, to the both MOSFET parallel. So guys, the middle was connected parallel. As you can see, I used the wire to connect it parallel, which is the drain, and the gate was connected with a resistors in series. As you can see, guys, this is the gate of this MOSFET, and it was connected from here to here in a series capacitor, and the middle of this capacitor was connected to the second leg of this inductor, and we have our positive here. So this is a diode that comes from the middle pin across like this to the capacitor. So guys, this will be our output, and this output was connected to the capacitor. This is 160 volts, 2200 microfarad. As you can see, this is our output. This is the positive input, and here is the negative input, and it will also be our output, guys. So as you can see, I've connected it parallel. So this is our negative. We are connecting it here, and we have positive, negative inputs, negative outputs with the same wire, guys. And this is our input, and here is our output, guys. So follow up, guys. So here is our wire for the negative inputs. We are connected to the N-channel Mosfet. So guys, this is our negative wire, and we are connecting it to the N-channel Mosfet that we connected parallel, as you can see, guys. So we are connecting the negative here, and the negative wire of this capacitor will be connected here, guys, to the N-channel Mosfet. I can even connect it together like this. Then I will now connect this one to the N-channel Mosfet like this. So guys, as you can see, I've connected it. This is our negative input, and will also be our negative output. And here's for the positive output, guys, and this is positive input. So guys, this is for the negative output wire, as you can see. So we are connecting it here. So the input of this negative is the same with the output, guys. So let me put it down. So guys, here is our negative input, and it goes like this. We connect it to the N-channel Mosfet, to the negative of this capacitor, and also comes like this. And this is it, guys, as you can see. So this is our input, positive input, and we have the output from the middle of this N-channel Mosfet and second leg of this inductor and a diode across. We connect the capacitor positive to it, to the output of this diode, and output of the diode here is our positive output also. So this is output, input, positive, negative, guys. So guys, we are adding a switch to the positive. Then we are going to connect it to our battery. So guys, here is our switch, and this is negative input and this is positive input, as you can see, guys, connected here. And here's the output, positive output, negative output. So this is our positive output wire. So guys, as you can see, our project has been completed. This is the negative input, and here's the positive input, guys, with a switch. And here's our positive output that came from the middle of this N-channel Mosfet parallel. The gate also parallel with a series resistor, and the middle of this resistor was connected here. So the N-channel Mosfet negative, which is the source, was connected parallel with a wire like this. And as you can see, guys, so guys, this is our battery, 3.7 volt battery. As you can see, that's 7 watts, 10,000 milliamps per one. So we are using 50,000 milliamps, guys. So guys, we want to test our project, and this is a bulb, 220 volt bulb, 5 watts. So let's give it a try. So this is the positive wire, like I said. And here is our negative wire, guys. So I'm going to on it now. As you can see, guys, it's very bright, very bright, guys. So let's test it sparking. So guys, our project is working. If you find this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. So let's try it again, guys. So guys, I want to test the output of our project of this inverter, DC to DC inverter, guys. So I've set my multimeter to 200 DC volts. So we want to test the output now. So let me on it. I've on it. Then this is our multimeter. This is the positive. I've connected the negative. So let's check it, guys. As you can see, we have 65 volts DC. can see up to 66 volts, guys, from 3.7 volt battery, 3.7 volt battery to 66.9 volt, guys, output. As you can see, this is the positive and I connected it here, and this is the negative of the output. As you can see, we have 67. The voltage keep increasing, guys. So as you can see, guys, very powerful.